Today, I'm taking y'all through a day in my life as a University of Texas student. Between the classes, challenges, and trying to navigate my future, I don't know how I'm gonna make this work. Starting the day off with a book because it helps me get my mind right and I can get an early win in. Now let's talk fashion. It's not just about looking good, it's about functionality too. I'm hitting the gym on campus, so I need something that looks equally good sitting in class and working my ass off in the gym. It's mornings like these that remind me why I'm pushing through every challenge. For the support, the love, and the yogurt that starts my day off just right. Sweetheart, you're amazing. Racing against the clock to make it to my lab. Let's see if biking can count for my first workout of the day.
Late again, but we make it work.
In the lab, it's more than just about programming. It's about solving problems and imagining a better future. It's time for a resume tune-up. Next week is UT's biannual job expo with almost 200 companies. My future employer just doesn't know they need me yet.
Now it's time for me to hit a workout. My bike is gonna be drenched.
The gym is my sanctuary, no matter if it's raining outside. I'm tackling my second workout of the day for 75 hard. This is the place where I go to prove to myself that challenges are just temporary, but the strength I'm building, that's gonna last. Racing back to advising because I got an email saying that I might not graduate on time. I need to switch back to my old minor, but I'm struggling to even apply. We're on a mission to tackle the red tape. I've gotta graduate on time.
Actually, my lifeblood.
Off to nuclear class where my brain gets to explode with knowledge in a good way. Back home, as I dive into homework, it's not just about ending the day. It's about preparing for the next, about the journey ahead.